You can take, okay, this is the jumper, and I'm going to be jumping that board, not Landon. Look at the board. Look at the board. That board. And I'm going to start off down.
What happened to the beginning? Hi, I'm Mackenzie. This is my friend Christian, and this is my boyfriend Landon.
Any of you want to go out with him, don't. She's dating him. Okay. First, I gotta move this bike and I'm gonna jump that.
Okay.
So if I don't crack with that little brick,
Jump with my bike.
it's flat tires.
Dang it.
Jump with my bike.
Bike. His brother's bike.
This is the treadmill.
Good job, Christian.
But he didn't literally land up high. No, this time I'm gonna go down that big hill. No, you're carrying at the bike. I'm gonna go down that big hill over there and look at the hill. And I'm gonna go down the trail.
Come on.
Oh, you got to start footing.
Okay, right here.
Mackenzie, when I get down there, right where the bricks are,
Yeah.
run.
Okay.
Once I go down this hill, run all the way over there.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, not yet. Gotta get up this hill.
Would you like to say something, Matthew?
No. You want gum?
No.
Brandon with Christian!
Go! Go!
Go! Over here!
No, over here!
Brandon with Christian! No! I can't hardly run fast enough. Okay, I'm gonna use Landon's bike this time because my bike's close.
Okay. Stay back.
I'm using Landon's. What are you doing?
What?
Doing it again because my bike's came off.
Okay. Ready, set, go! Go! Watch out, Mom! You did it correct this time. Hi, Dad.
This time, I'm going to use a flat bike. Flat tires on the bike.
No.
It's not going to work that well. It might work, but it's still fun. This is the funny part, people. All been waiting.
Come on, let's go back.
Wow.
Okay.
Get off the hill.
Watch out for cars. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna run backwards. Okay. Start. Okay. So you start running in 3, 2, go, 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 run. Okay, stop.
He's coming. Hope this works. I hope it doesn't suck.
Awesome.
Not holding a picture.
I'm doing a video. Okay. Hey, did you see? A funeral car's gonna come by, cause I saw somebody at a funeral. The corpse is ugly.
Mackenzie, remind me never to rant this with your bike.
Okay. Okay.
Like my knee.
Surfboard.
Then use my bike.
Okay, let's go. Okay, what are we gonna do next?
Bubble.
Make it make it pop all over your face as hard as you can.
I can't. I lose my breath.
Okay.
I'm going to go down this with a scooter, and Landon, I would move as hard as you. Please. Oh God. Okay.
Okay. Now, Haunted Houses Part 2. Bye.